Inside each of us is a spark of creativity waiting to be awakened. It's that urge to make, to appreciate, to connect. Whether you're an artist or simply love beautiful things, creativity is about seeing the world with fresh eyes, finding joy in small details, and sharing a piece of yourself. This journey is about honoring that creative force, giving it a home and a community. Let's set aside doubts and take the first step together, opening the door to a world where creativity connects us all. Your creative journey starts now. Embrace your inner artist and discover what's possible. Imagine a marketplace filled with unique treasures, crafted by people from around the world. This is Etsy. Here, every item has a story, and every purchase supports a real person's dream. Etsy is a celebration of creativity, a place for handmade, vintage, and one-of-a-kind finds. Whether you're looking to buy or share your own creations, Etsy welcomes you. It's a supportive community where makers and collectors connect. We'll show you how easy it is to join this vibrant world. Your adventure in creativity begins here. Starting something new can feel daunting, but we'll break it down into simple steps. This guide is for everyone. No special skills required, just curiosity. We'll walk you through setting up your Etsy account, navigating the site, and exploring what it offers. By the end, you'll have your own Etsy account ready to discover or share unique creations. Let's take that first step together. Your creative adventure starts right now. Every journey begins with a first step. Open your internet browser. Find the icon for Chrome, Safari, Firefox, or Edge, and double-click to open it. The address bar at the top is your gateway to the online world. Don't worry, technology is just a tool to help you create and connect. You're in control, taking one simple step at a time. The door is open, and a creative community awaits. Let's get ready to visit Etsy. With your browser open, click the address bar and type www.etsy.com. Press enter, and you'll arrive at Etsy's vibrant homepage. Take a moment to explore the unique items and creative energy. To make returning easy, create a bookmark. Look for the star icon or bookmarks menu. Save Etsy as your personal key to this creative marketplace. Now, you can return anytime with a single click. You've found your way to Etsy and made it easy to come back. Welcome to your new creative space. A personal account. Find the sign-in button at the top right and click it. Look for the register link in the pop-up window and click to start the sign-up process. Creating an account lets you save favorites, connect with sellers, and build your presence. This is your invitation to join a world of creativity and connection. Every Etsy journey starts here, with this simple step. Your account is the foundation for your unique Etsy adventure. After clicking register, a form appears. Enter your email address. This is your main contact with Etsy, so double-check for typos. Next, type your first name. Using your real name helps build trust and community. Each detail is like laying a brick in your new Etsy home. Now let's create your password to keep it safe. Entering your first name is a simple but meaningful step. It makes your experience personal and real. You're joining a community of individuals, each with a unique story. Like wearing a name tag at a friendly gathering, it invites conversation and trust. Your name is the beginning of your Etsy story, a small detail that opens the door to creativity and connection. The final piece of information you'll need to provide is a password. Think of this password as the key to your new home on Etsy. Just like the key to your actual house, you want it to be strong and secure to keep your space safe. A strong password protects your personal information and ensures that you are the only one who can access your account. Etsy will give you some simple guidelines to follow, such as making it at least 8 characters long. This is a great starting point for creating a key that is both strong and memorable for you. To make your password truly secure, it's a good idea to use a mix of different characters. Try combining uppercase and lowercase letters, adding in a few numbers, and including a symbol like an exclamation point or a question mark. For example, instead of a simple word like sunshine, you could create something like sunshine 24 exclamation point. This combination makes it much harder for anyone else to guess. It might feel like a little puzzle at first, but taking a moment to create a strong password is one of the most important things you can do to protect your online home. It's also a wise practice to create a password that is unique to your Etsy account. We often use the same password for many different websites because it's easier to remember, but this can be risky. If one account is compromised, all of your other accounts could be at risk too. Think of a special phrase or a combination of words that is meaningful to you, but not obvious to others. You could even write it down and store it in a safe, private place at home, like a notebook in your desk drawer, until you have it memorized. This is your private key, so keep it just for you. As you type your chosen password into the box, you'll likely see the letters turn into dots or asterisks. This is a security feature to protect your password from anyone who might be looking over your shoulder. Most forms will ask you to type it a second time to confirm that you've entered it correctly. Take your time with this step. A strong, unique password is your peace of mind. It's the lock on your door, giving you the confidence to explore, shop, and connect freely, knowing that your personal space is safe and sound. You have now filled in all the necessary information. Your email address is ready, you've shared your first name, and you've created a strong, secure password to protect your new account. Take a moment to look over the form one last time. Make sure your email is spelled perfectly and that you feel good about the password you've chosen. This is the final checkpoint before you officially join the Etsy community. Everything is in place and you are standing right at the threshold, ready to step inside. This is an exciting moment, the culmination of these first few simple steps. Below the form, you will see a large button that says Register. This button is the final step in the process. It's like signing the guest book at a welcoming party. Clicking this button will send your information to Etsy and create your brand new account. It's the digital equivalent of a handshake, sealing your entry into this incredible world of makers and dreamers. Before you click, take a deep breath and feel the sense of accomplishment. You have navigated this process with confidence and care, and you are just one click away from unlocking a world of creativity. Go ahead and move your cursor over to that register button. As you prepare to click, think about all the possibilities that lie ahead. You might discover a new hobby, find the perfect handmade gift for a loved one, or simply spend hours getting lost in the beauty of other people's creations. This single click is the start of a new adventure, a journey that can be whatever you want it to be. It's a commitment to bringing more creativity and connection into your life. You are ready for this. You have done all the work to get here, and the community is waiting to welcome you. Now click it. With that simple motion, your account is being created. The page might refresh or take you to a new welcome screen. Congratulations! You have officially created your Etsy account. It's as simple as that. You have successfully built your own little home base in this vast and wonderful marketplace. This is a moment to celebrate. You've taken a step into a new digital space and you've done it with ease. The door is now wide open, and your journey of discovery on Etsy is just beginning. Welcome to the community. The moment you click that register button, the screen will change, and you will be greeted with a new page. This is your official welcome to the Etsy family. You might see a cheerful message like, "Welcome to Etsy," or "Your account has been created." Take a moment to savor this feeling. You did it. You've successfully navigated the sign-up process and created your very own space within this vibrant community. This is not just a confirmation message on a screen. It's a warm greeting from millions of creators and collectors around the world who are excited to have you join them on this journey. You are now a registered member of Etsy. This means you can start exploring all the features the site has to offer. You can begin to curate lists of your favorite items, follow shops that inspire you, and connect with sellers directly. Your new account is your personal portal to this entire universe of creativity. Think of it as being handed a map and a compass to a beautiful, unexplored land. The path is yours to forge, and every click will lead you to new discoveries. This is your space to personalize, to fill with things you love, and to make entirely your own. This moment marks the end of the registration process, but the true beginning of your Etsy experience. All the steps we've taken together, opening your browser, finding the website, and filling out the form, have led you here. You've laid a solid foundation, and now the fun part begins. There's a whole world of handcrafted goods, vintage treasures, and creative supplies waiting for you. You can start browsing right away, letting your curiosity guide you through the endless digital aisles of this incredible marketplace. Allow yourself to get lost in the beauty and craftsmanship on display. Before we move on, just take a second to feel proud of what you've accomplished. For some, starting something new on the internet can feel daunting, but you've walked through it with grace. You've shown yourself that you can learn and adapt, and you've opened a new door for yourself. This small victory is worth celebrating. You are now officially part of a community that values authenticity, passion, and the human touch. Welcome home. We are so glad you are here, and we can't wait to see what you discover. Before you dive in, take a moment to check out Etsy's Terms of Use and Privacy Policy. Think of them as the house rules for this new community. You'll find links near the register button or on the welcome page. These guidelines outline how the site works and help keep everyone safe and creative. The privacy policy explains how your information is protected. Taking a quick look builds trust and helps you start your Etsy journey on the right foot. Once you're comfortable with Etsy's terms of use and privacy policy, it's time to agree. On the registration page, click the checkbox to show your consent. This simple action is your official handshake with the Etsy community. That checkmark transforms you from a visitor into a member, ready to join a thriving creative ecosystem. Next, check your email to confirm your account and start your Etsy journey. Now that you have registered on the website, it's time to complete the final step, verifying your account. This is a very important security measure. It's how Etsy confirms that the email address you provided truly belongs to you. Think of it like receiving a special key in the mail after signing up for a new post office box. You need that key to officially open your box for the first time. So, for now, we will navigate away from the Etsy page and open up your email. You can do this by opening a new tab in your browser or by opening the email application you normally use on your computer or phone. Once you have your email inbox open, take a look through your new messages. You should see an email that has just arrived from Etsy. The subject line will likely say something clear and helpful, such as "Confirm your Etsy account" or "Welcome to Etsy. Please verify your email." It should stand out from your other messages. This email is your personal invitation sent directly to you to unlock your new account. Finding this email is the next exciting step in our journey, bringing us one step closer to full access to the wonderful world of Etsy. If you don't see the email right away, don't worry. Sometimes it can take a minute or two to arrive. You can also take a peek inside your spam or junk folder. Occasionally, automated emails can get misplaced there by accident. It's always a good idea to check that folder if an expected email doesn't appear in your main inbox. Just look for anything sent from Etsy. Once you locate it, you can even mark it as not spam to help ensure that future emails from Etsy arrive in the right place, keeping you connected to your new community. This email is more than just a technical step. It's a direct line of communication between you and Etsy. It establishes a secure link that will be used for important notifications, messages from sellers, and updates about your account. By finding and opening this email, you are solidifying the foundation of your new creative home. It's a simple but vital part of the process that ensures your account is secure and ready for you to use. So go ahead and open that email. The final key to unlocking your Etsy account is waiting for you right inside. When you open the email from Etsy, you will see a warm welcome message. Inside the body of the email, there will be a special link or a brightly colored button. It will have a clear instruction on it, such as confirm your account, verify email, or complete registration. This is the final and most important click of the entire setup process. This link is unique to you and is the key that will officially activate your new Etsy account. It's the last step that confirms your identity and unlocks all the features of the website, making your account fully functional and ready for adventure. Move your mouse cursor over to this button or link and give it a firm click. It's a satisfying final action that brings everything together. As you click it, you are essentially telling Etsy, "Yes, this is me, and this is my correct email address. I am ready to join the community." This single click provides the ultimate layer of security, protecting your account from being created by anyone else and ensuring that you, and only you, have control over it. It's a simple, secure, and incredibly effective way to finalize the creation of your new online home. Once you click the confirmation link, your web browser will spring to life. A new tab or window will open, taking you directly back to the Etsy website. This time, you will be greeted with a message that says something like, "Your account is confirmed," or "Thank you for verifying your email." This is the moment of triumph. You have successfully navigated every step, from visiting the website to confirming your email. Your Etsy account is now fully active, secure, and ready for you. Take a moment to feel the wonderful sense of accomplishment. You did it! Congratulations! You are now an official member of the Etsy community. The entire registration and verification process is complete. You have built your foundation, secured your space, and officially opened the door to a world of creativity. From here on out, the journey is all about discovery and enjoyment. You can now log into your account anytime with the email and password you created and begin to explore, connect, and get inspired. The world of Etsy is now truly at your fingertips, and your personalized adventure is just about to begin. Now that your account is verified, it's time to make your Etsy profile feel like home. Click the profile icon in the top right, your gateway to personal settings. Here, you can update your info and add personal touches to your digital space. Start by uploading a friendly photo, your first step in making this space truly yours. The first step to personalizing your Etsy profile is adding a photo of yourself. A profile picture is like a warm smile. It instantly makes your presence more friendly and real. Choose a simple, clear photo with a natural smile. It doesn't need to be professional, just something that feels like you. Once uploaded, your profile transforms from generic to personal, making your space more inviting and welcoming to the Etsy community. With a friendly photo, add a short bio to your Etsy profile. Just a few sentences about who you are or what inspires you. Next, add your city or country. Sharing your location helps build a global community with local roots. With your photo, bio, and location, your profile becomes a warm, inviting space, ready to connect you with the Etsy community. Now that your account is set up, the real adventure begins. Step into the vibrant world of Etsy. Like wandering through a bustling craft fair, every turn reveals something new. Browse categories, click on what sparks your interest, and let your curiosity guide you. Discover the creativity and passion behind every handmade piece. Take your time, explore, and enjoy the simple joy of discovery. Search for something specific on Etsy, like a friend's birthday gift or unique wall art. The search bar is your powerful tool for discovery. Type what you need, and Etsy shows matching items. It's like a treasure hunt, guiding you to your perfect find. Save items you love by clicking the heart icon. Create a personal collection of inspiring finds. Etsy is more than shopping. It's joining a community built on trust and creativity. Every item has a maker with a story, and your reviews help them thrive. You can message sellers directly, building real connections. Favorite shops to follow your favorite creators and see their latest work. Welcome to a community that celebrates creativity and supports small businesses. Look at how far you've come. You opened Etsy, created your account, and took your first step into a new world. Each small action was a victory, proof of your willingness to learn and grow. The hardest part is behind you. The path ahead is open and inviting. You hold the key to this new adventure. Celebrate your achievement. You've truly begun. Creating your Etsy account is just the beginning of a beautiful story. You've joined a vibrant marketplace where creativity is the common language. What you've done is plant a garden. Now watch it grow. Read the stories behind the shops, and let inspiration guide you. Your Etsy adventure has just begun, promising beauty, connection, and endless inspiration.